Today on Stu's cookery class, I'm going to be showing you how to make eggy bread, and it's really simple and easy. I'm using a bit of stale baguette here, but you can use fresh bread or white sliced, it doesn't really matter too much. So we're just going to slice it up. Now I'm doing mine fairly thick, just over a centimetre, so mine's going to take a bit of time in the oven to cook, but if you're using white sliced, they'll be ready as soon as they've been fried off on both sides. So here I've just got 2 eggs and 50 ml of milk. I'm whisking this together until it's one liquid, so there's no gloopy bits and it all just runs as one. I'm then going to soak each piece in the egg mix and pop it back on the board. Now if you were doing this with fresh bread, then you wouldn't need to worry as much. You'd be able to put it straight into the pan like I do later. But because mine's a bit stale, it needs a bit longer to soak up the egg mix. So I'm going to do this to every single piece and pop them back on the board before I get my pan on the heat. Now once you've got a pan on, you want to get a little bit of butter in there and you want it to just be foaming so it's nice and hot. I'm then going to recoat my bread in the egg mix so it's thoroughly coated in and it's got it all over. And we're then going to gently fry it off till it's got a nice golden colour all over. And you'll notice here that it is seeping out slightly, and that's absolutely fine. You want that good coating on the top and bottom. And you'll see that it's got a really nice even golden colour, and that's exactly what we're going for. Once you've got this on the other side as well, I'm popping mine on a train in the oven for 3 to 4 minutes, but if you're using white sliced, it should be ready after just being fried off. Now I'm going to serve mine with a bit of crispy bacon because I absolutely love it, but it goes perfectly on its own or with some ketchup. It's a great, quick, easy, warm meal to have. And if you like this video, hit that button. If you really liked it, consider subscribing or checking out some of my other content like poached or boiled eggs or maybe my midweek meals playlist. Thanks for watching.